Why do babies seem to sneeze a lot? We do get asked this a lot in maternity, and some parents think, is it because the air conditioning, things like that? Typically, it's just a reflex, and babies have obviously got smaller nasal passages, much more narrow than that of an adult. So it just means that they block a lot more easily with typical just house dust, things like that, pollen when you're out and about. So it just does make them sneeze in order to be able to clear their nostrils because, as we know, babies are predominantly nose breathers and they need their passages to be clear to help them to breathe.